If you use Google dialer, that time you can see whenever you try to call someone, that time there will be new interface available because Google updated their dialer. So that's why you can see this kinds of interface whenever you try to call. Okay, so this is not looks good. Actually the old one is good. Okay, so how can we actually change your new dialer to old dialer? Okay, so hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your new dialer to old dialer. Okay, so for doing that you will need to, first of all, let me go to my Play Store, and after that let me search here that Google dialer, Google by phone or phone by Google, whatever. You can see this one, phone by Google, and it's already updated. So that's why you see this kinds of new interface. So if you don't want to use this new interface, that time you can disable it, or you can go back to your old Google dialer. Okay, so for doing that you will need to go to your phone settings option. So let me go mine. In my Samsung phone you can see there is phone settings. So now scroll down, and in every phone you will find out one option which is apps or apps store. Okay, so let me click on that one, and after that you need to wait for a few seconds, and maybe in my phone you will see another interface which is system app or manage app. Okay, so you will need to click manage application option. So just scroll down into that settings, and you will find out your phone dialer option. Just go to the alphabet P, and you can see there is phone dialer from Google. So let me click on that one, and after that in another phone there will be directly clear data in that section below. Okay, but in this Samsung phone you can see in here a storage option. So let me click on that one, a storage option, and after that in that section you can see clear data. So let me click on that clear data option, and after that just get back from here, and then now click here force stop, then click here OK, and you are done. So just get back from here again, and now go to your Google dialer. So let me go to my Google dialer in here, then let me click here set as default, this option, and you can see this is old dialer, and there will be recent apps, contacts and favorite option. Okay, so let me give call to this number, and you will be surprised, and you can see this is actually old dialer interface. Okay, so that's it guys. So if you face this kind of problem, then you can solve it by this way. So whenever it automatically updated, that time you can just clear data. Okay, and just you need to do one thing, just go to Play Store, and then make sure just click here three dot line, then just turn this setting off, enable auto update, just turn these settings off. Okay, so that's it guys. So by this easiest process you can go back to your old Google dialer. So thank you so much for watching this video.